Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add overlay on the background image. So I will show you how to add overlay over this hero section. If you want, for example, this heading and this heading are not that visible, and this background image is in not that good resolution, so we want to add overlay to make it better looking. So to do that, what we will do is we will click on this and we will create a rectangle and we will drag it across this section. Then you just make sure it's exactly on the line, that it's perfect on the borders. Okay. Then what you need to do is you need to put it above the background and beneath everything else. So here I have home page, and what I need to do is I need to drag it below everything and above the background. Here is the background, and now here is the rectangle. We'll call it background overlay. And now to change this overlay, what we need to do is we will click here fill, and we will add black color, let's say this, and we will change the transparency to like 75. And now you have an overlay. If you want to make this overlay better looking, what we can do is maybe we can add like this blue color and change transparency, because it is in the theme of this website. And what we can also do is create a gradient, and here change transparency to full, to 100%, and here to 0. And now we can change this overlay the way we want. For example, if we want to show overlay more on the left side, we just drag this one, and that's how you do it. Or we can leave it on solid. This is also good. And that's the way you change overlay in Figma.